Hello everyone and welcome back to Psyche Pulse. I am Saad Shafiq. We stepped into the 2024 just 1 month ago. At the start of 2024, everyone was motivated and committed to change their life. But now, after 30 days of not getting result, many people are about to give up. And if you are one of those who do not find the clear path to achieve your dreams,
Then you are on the right place.
because today I will give you the ultimate guide on how to make 2024 your best year yet. So grab a paper and pen.
Because we are breaking it down.
Step 1. Reflect on 2023. Before we charge into the 2024, take a moment to reflect on 2023. What worked well in 2023? What challenges did you overcome? And what holds you back in 2023? Reflect on these questions and write everything on paper. Reflecting on your experience set a stage for your intentional growth. Step 2. Set a clear goal. Now that we have reflected, it's time to set the clear goals. Turning dream into the reality requires a plan. Break down your goal into the smaller actionable steps. What you can do daily, weekly or monthly to make progress. And break those into the smaller and achievable actionable goals. And when you achieve those smaller goals, it will boost your confidence and will help you to achieve your goals throughout the year. Step 3. Keep your journal. To track your performance, keep a journal where you can express your goals, thought and experience. Track your progress and reflect on your journey. Journaling will provide you a written record so that you can understand what's going wrong with you. Step 4. Prioritize self care. In the hustle and the bustle, don't forget about yourself. Prioritize self care, whether it's exercise, reading, or simply taking a break. Make a time for the activities that keep your mind calm and body active. Step 5. Learn something new. Challenge yourself by learning something new, whether it's language, a professional skill. Continuous learning add a sense of accomplishment and keep life exciting. Step 6. Practice time management. Manage your time to make the most of each day. Prioritize tasks, set deadlines, and create a schedule that aligns with your goals. Good time management ensures that you stay focused, avoid procrastination, and achieve your objective throughout the year. Step 7. Positive habits. Your habits and routine are the reflection of your life. So adopt positive habits that align with your goals. Whether it's waking up early, practicing meditation, or staying organized, these habits can set a tone for a successful year. Step 8. Stay flexible and adopt. Life is unpredictable and the challenges may arise. Stay flexible and be ready to adopt. Embrace the challenges as an opportunity for the growth and remember, it's okay to adjust your plan. Step 9. Follow the process. For the next year, just put your head down and follow the process. You will get result at the end of the year.
It's not about today.
It's about months and year. So there you have it, a step-by-step guide to make 2024 the best year of your life. Reflect, set the clear goal, keep your journal, prioritize self-care, learn something new, positive habits, stay flexible and follow the process. I am excited to see the incredible things you have achieved this year. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe and share your goals in the comment box. Until next time, make it an amazing year.